guys, I'm Juby. Welcome back. Since there have been more and more convenient to transport your products around the world, so do China. Today I'll be sending a product to a friend in China. So I got a chance to bring it to the SFexpress, which is the leading brand of the logistic industry. Last time I went there, I just got so confused. What form should I sign up? What app should I download? Or something like that. Hope you guys will enjoy. They just updated all their devices or their precision to the most high advanced technology. So without further ado, let's go to the SFexpress. Let's go. Hello guys, here we go. Not so many people in the weekdays, and we gotta send a product to my friend in Dongguan. Yes, it is. Okay, so first of all, you need to ask staff for this information form, but you don't need to write down anything, just need to scan the upper QR code. So the second, you need to connect the internet, but don't worry about if you didn't buy any data in China, because SFexpress will always provide their Wi-Fi password. It's such a heartwarming service. And sorry, by the way, because I'm using a YI action camera, so my camera can't zoom in well. Sorry. After connecting the internet, it's time to open your WeChat. It's better for you to download it beforehand. Okay, as you open a WeChat and click the chat and then the plus mark and the QR code, then you can scan the upper QR code of the information form. Okay, the next step you can see is the upper part and the lower part. The lower part is the copy and the paste area. You can take pictures and the computer will automatically transfer to the address details. So if it doesn't come the right detail, you can choose by yourself, like what I do right now. If all done, you can press the submit button. And after press the submit button, this picture shows all the information, the money and the rules. You need to follow, just simply press agree and send it, then you are done. After you finish the form, it's time to queue, but it won't be long because there are lots of people ready to serve. Alright, it's my turn, but this handsome guy stopped me from filming. But never mind, I can show you what I've done in front of him. Just open WeChat, the plus mark, and scan QR code to pay him how much money you need to pay, and then right away you will receive the message, and just in the second you receive the SFexpress official WeChat send the message. You can reassure that your commodity is safe and it could be tracked online anytime. And the receipt keep well until the parcel safely arrives. Alright guys, that's how you can use the SF logistic delivery in China. Hope you can learn something and hope you enjoy my video. If you like, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next